it's Morgan from WTI, and I love this remote for my Kindle. This Bluetooth-enabled Kindle remote page turner set from SYUKUYU is amazing. I absolutely love this device for my Kindle. It allows you to turn the pages without actually touching the device itself. So this is really great if you're really comfortable somewhere and you're using your Kindle and you don't want to keep reaching out to touch the page every time you want to turn it. This can do it for you. This remote is great because it has really large buttons, which make it so easy to use. It has these little rubber protectors that you can put in the openings to keep it dust-free and safe. It also has this wristlet that you can put onto the remote so you can easily carry it with you around your wrist, which is awesome. It's really easy to charge. It comes with a USB-C charger, so as soon as you get it, you are good to go. It's really easy to set up. It's very easy to use. It was ready to go right out the box, and I love that. This remote is awesome, and that's my point of view.